guys, so today we've already serviced this, so get a look. There you go, Kia Cerato GT. So we serviced this one a couple of weeks ago, but realised that the plugs needed changing on it as well. Dead easy to service these ones. So drain plug and oil filter are all at the bottom. You don't need to remove the oil pan. It's easy enough to get to. And sorry, not the oil pan. You don't need to remove the skid pan at the bottom because you can get to everything quite easily. Air filter and everything's obviously over here. Dead easy. So plugs anyway. We've got these NJK ones, so got them from one of our partners. We got them spark plugs direct here in Australia. I will be putting a link at the bottom of the page, so and if there's a code at the bottom as well. If you use the code, you get a discount using my code, which is JB5. And so let's get on with this. So this should be nice and easy. Okay, so these are all just nice and easy clips. Just pull it and then they'll all come off. Dead easy. That's it. And then just a 10mm bolt on the top. And then the coil just pulls out. Easy as that. And then what have we got? We've got a 5/8 plug spanner in. Lovely. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the camera down over here so you can still see. That's it. One plug out. So that's the old plugs. Pop the new ones in. Don't need gap in. These NJK ones are very, very good. They're already gapped, so stick that in there just so it doesn't drop in, because what we don't want to do is drop the spark plug down and damage the gap. Only problem with that is obviously because these have got a rubber on the plug spanner or socket, sometimes you've got to give it, there we go, little wiggle and it comes out. If you try and pull it out, it comes off the end of the that would have been fun. We'll pull that one out. What we'll do is we'll start putting them back in as we're going. Come on. That's it. Do them two for the minute. So this was running a little bit sluggish, and you can see the end of these plugs are a little bit white on the end. So I think this has probably got about 40,000 key on it, but I will double check, and I don't think these plugs have been changed at all since the guy bought it. So they were really due changing. And like I say, our sponsor, Spark Plugs Direct, give them a shout. We will be keeping stock here in Perth as well. Spark Plugs Direct, they are very, very good with deliveries. When I order anything, they're delivered within a day or so, which if you live out in Australia, you will realise how good that is. You know, sometimes I've ordered stuff and I've ordered stuff from the UK, I've ordered stuff from over east in Australia, and I get it from the UK quicker than I get it from over east. So the way Spark Plugs Direct do it is they've got a very good team, and they get everything out the door straight away. So very, very good service. That's why I partner up with them. That's it, one more left, and we'll give it a try. So you can see the bottom of the coils as well. The bottom of the coils aren't really burned. Sometimes you do get a coil that'll be completely burnt at the end here. These, although they've done, like I say, about 40,000, they're in very good condition. So, but that is something else Spark Plugs Direct do, where they do coils as well. So coil packs. Go, the last one out. And the last one in. So it is already warm, this, so what we'll do is once we get this tightened up and back on before we put the cover back on, we're going to give it a start, and we'll make sure that it's all good, and I can give it a bit of a rev. Tell you what, why don't we just take this plug off? And that's because I can't get it off. Right. There we go. Pull that off. Get that in. Boom. Pull in. There will be a torque spec for these bolts for the coil packs, but just don't be stupid. Just, I mean, I've only got a 1/4 inch socket there. Just as soon as it stops turning, just a little nip, and that's it. That's all you need. You don't need to go mental on these and start putting 200 Newton meters in. Right, so start. Now let's go and have a look. There you go, perfect. So nice. That's it, guys. So remember, please subscribe to the page. Big thumbs up if you like this video. I know it was only doing a couple of plugs on here, but you know, we're trying to promote the page, we're trying to expand the page. You know, we're working with other companies now to try and help each other out as well. That's why we're partnering up with Spark Plugs Direct, to give us a good service, to give them a little bit of promotion. So yeah, guys, please subscribe to the page. Like I say, I've seen that there's probably 75 to 80% of the viewers who view the videos on a regular basis are not subscribed to the page. I only get about 25% of my views are through subscribers. So it would be a great help to us, to help us try and expand and do bigger and better projects, give everybody what they want. I have got a couple of videos out where I've asked for people's opinions on what engines do I put in. I've got 2 cars that we need to put new engines in, and we're gonna build some big stupid engines out of well, VW and Audis. So have a look for them and make some comments, and we'll do what we can. All right, guys, have a good day. See you later.